Hello and welcome to another edition of From the Newsroom. I'm Rebello, and today we'll talk about the Reserve Bank of India's Trends and Progresses report from the banking sector. This is an annual report which comes out every November. Anup, this report today which came out is flagging some concerns the central bank has. What is the concern?
Yeah, one, asset quality has come as a big concern, and challenges for the Indian banking system going forward is to move on to Basel III norms that require some. RBI has pointed out some 75,000 crore to 80,000 crore of additional equity, additional capital is needed for banks to adhere to these norms.
Okay.
Also, one major challenge is containing the asset quality as well as tapping the untapped market.
Sure.
But I understand that the report has also pointed out customer complaints that it's on rise. So you have been through the report. Can you please?
Yeah, customer complaints is also one data point which we look at in this Trends and Progresses report. This time versus last year, we are talking about 2011-12, the fiscal just gone by.
Right.
The complaints have actually gone up by about 13%, mainly because of public sector banks. The complaints have come out. Private banks, foreign banks have fared better. Among public sector banks, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, the large banks have seen a huge amount of increase in complaints. These are complaints which go to the ombudsman, so in a sense these are not reflection of the total complaints in the banking, but these are probably a reflection of how many complaints are pursued right up till the ombudsman level. So this is one data point which we look at in the Trends and Progresses report. Also want to discuss, NPA is a concern. The central bank said, what is the exact amount of NPAs in the system currently, and why is this such a big concern?
So NPA this year, I mean the last fiscal year, it constituted some 3.1% of the total advances of banks. Mm-hmm. Year before that, it was a little bit more than maybe 2.4% of the total advances. Sure. So the NPAs have gone up considerably. And public sector banks accounts for most of the NPAs. Mm-hmm. And what they have done in this year, I mean in the last fiscal year, sure, is very interesting that they have restructured a lot of loans to
basically
check,
to prevent it
from
becoming an NPA.
To prevent it from becoming NPA. Mm-hmm. And the restructuring has also significantly gone up this year. So this is one major concern that
which is a worry for the central bank.
Big worry for the central bank.
Okay. Thank you, Anup. Here we have it. Central bank has flagged off these concerns. Not new, considering that this is just a collage of what has happened in the financial year gone by. NPAs rising, huge amount of restructured loans. Customer complaints, an interesting data point in this whole report, which we look forward annually. That's it from the newsroom for today. For more updates, continue to log on to livemint.com.